my name's Olivia, and this is my channel, Olivia's Workshop. Today we're going to be making these super cute headbands like the one I have on, and they're great gifts for Valentine's. Okay, so these are the things that you'll be needing. A pair of scissors, a pencil, a hot glue gun, and make sure to have adult supervision, a headband, some felt, a cardstock paper, and a Xyron creating station, and they'll help you make stickers. Okay, so if you like my videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And let's get started. Today we're going to be making this beautiful jeweled headband, and on the inside of the heart there's cardstock. So now we're going to be making the cardstock heart, and I already have a template, and now I'm just going to trace it, and then we're going to cut it out so it can be the inside of my heart. And this is 3 inches wide and 3 inches tall. So now you're gonna cut out the heart very smoothly and evenly along the edges so that it'll look very good on the inside of your heart to keep it firm. And these are great gifts to give to your friends on Valentine's Day. And this is super simple to do. So now there's 2 pieces of felt, and you're going to put your template on and trace it and cut it out. I already pre-cut it. So now you're going to stick your heart that you cut out through the Xyron because it turns it into a sticker. You're going to rub down so it can help it turn into a sticker and peel off the top. Now you're going to take the sticker off the sheet and then stick one of the felt pieces on it. Now you're going to stick it back through the Xyron to get the other side sticking. And just like I did, rub down on it again. Peel off the top. Take off the sticker and put it on. And that's your heart. Now you can see that the heart is firm, and we're going to glue on all the gems like in this one. And make sure, kids, to have parents' adult supervision when you have the glue gun. So I finished gemming my felt piece, so now we're gonna glue it onto the headband. I marked it with Sharpie. It's about 2.5 inches up. That's where the bottom is, and that's how you're gonna put your heart. So just put a little bit of glue down the middle, and now you can glue it on. On the back, you're going to glue a square piece that fits your heart to keep it covered. Just like this. That's your heart headband. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you like my videos.